promised you Chronicles retail. I'm delivering Chronicles retail 2019. It's not my beloved 2018, but it'll have to do. 4 of these. No guaranteed hits, but you get something in here, I'm sure. Let's see what it is. Find 5 brands making their debut. There it is. Bonus 3-card unparalleled pack. 20 cards inside. There's the checklist for the bonus pack. You can see they look good, but I love unparalleled, so that's good. Of course, lots of good names on here. Vlad Jr., Trout, Tatis Jr., Judge, Jimenez, Alonso. Yes. 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 Let's get in here and see what we get. Okay, like 18, they have the little parallel pack separate. So we'll open that at the end. Got 1 pack. Alright. Starting off with a Kyle Tucker Classics rookie. Michael Chavis Timeless Treasures. A Trey Turner season ticket chrome. Tatis certified green parallel rookie. Haven't pulled that yet. That's nice. And certified Lindor. Base card Michael Chavis. Chris Paddock playoff rookie. Aaron Judge Phoenix. Jacob DeGrom Obsidian, and Trevor Story Status. Alright. There's a Tatis Donruss rookie. Brian Reynolds Limited rookie. A Titan Goldschmidt. There's a Mike Trout Status Green. That's not bad. And Ichiro Certified. Alright, last regular pack. Now I've got cards going everywhere. Some of these thicker cards are bowed a little bit, so they don't allow the stack to sit cleanly. Arenado Base, Kyle Tucker Ascension. There is a Jimenez Titan Hollow Parallel. That's nice. And then a Mike Trout Green Certified. And then Carter Kaboom Status Rookie. That's a really good pack. Let's see what these unparalleled look like. We have Michael Chavis, which has been all up in this box, Aaron Judge, and a Kevin Biggio. Is this kind of parallel, or is this just how the rookies look? It says Galactic, so I guess it is. So I guess these, like football, these are the base, and then you can get these parallel versions. It's a really nice extra touch, Panini. Good job. Yeah, really nice. It makes these bonus packs more desirable than 18 was even. So that's really good. Yeah, that definitely makes me want to open more of these blasters. It was very smart thinking on their creative department. On the part of their creative department. Move those over. Okay. Mike Trout Base, Nicky Lopez, Rookies and Stars, Reese Hoskins, Crusade. There is an Alonso Status Green Rookie, and Jeff McNeil, Regular Certified Rookie. So off to a good start there. Senzel Classics, Cole Tucker, Timeless Treasures, Kaboom, Contenders Optic, Brandon Lowe, certified green parallel rookie. And Hernandez, regular status rookie. Joey Votto, base. Senzel, playoff. Jordan Hicks, Phoenix. There's a Chris Bryant, obsidian. And Anthony Rizzo, certified. I've pulled a lot of obsidian stuff, but I'm not getting very many obsidian parallels. Wow, this pack is thick. Maybe we got something in here. There's something. Oh, wow, there is. Huh. Let's see what this is. Wow, okay. And don't drop it. Brandon Lowe, Phoenix rookie hollow. Albert Pujols, status green parallel. A Kopech regular status rookie. Aaron Judge, timeless treasures. And, oh, wow, a Bo Bichette quad relic on card auto to 49. Are you freaking kidding me right now? Out of a blaster box. Wow. Well, I just said I wanted more blasters. Now I want even more. Holy smokes. What just happened? I'm feeling faint. I'm passing out. No, not really. I'm okay. But wow. That is so cool. Holy shit. I mean, sorry. I'm trying not to cuss on my channel in case any kids watch. I'm trying to clean it up. Let's see what the parallels are. Lindor base, Kikuchi rookie base, and a Duplantier rookie parallel, Astral parallel. I cannot believe I pulled that that Bo Bichette. Holy crap. That's so nice. I didn't mention at the first that, you know, you're probably going to get, if you buy a couple of these, you're probably going to get a hit. I don't know what the exact odds. Usually it's like one with Chronicles, one in every 3 or 4 boxes. So I thought with 4 boxes, that might buy me one hit. And boy, did it ever. Holy crap. I mean, I realize that's not like the biggest card in the world, but it's still pretty cool out of a blaster, you gotta admit. Alright, Altuve Chronicles. Pham playoff. Wow, nice. A Vlad Jr. Crusade rookie. Altuve green parallel certified, and Kikuchi regular rookie certified. Jimenez Donruss rookie. DeYoung limited. There's a Tatis Jr. Contenders Optic. And an Obsidian rookie. Very nice. Very nice. And status Ichiro. Correa. Regular Ascension. What does that say? Tyro Estrada, I guess. It's the first time I've ever heard that name. Huh. Wow, a Pete Alonso Phoenix Hollow. Are you kidding me? That's so nice. O'Hearn green status rookie and Ohtani regular contenders. Certified. Here's another thick pack. Did I really? Are you kidding me? Holy crap. 2 hits out of, oh my lord. I don't want to do this. Let me pull this to the side. I don't even want to see it. Let me try to pull the cards out without looking at it. I want to be surprised. Alright. Kopech playoff. Kopech Phoenix rookie. There's a DeYoung parallel to 199 limited. And a Michael Chavis status regular rookie. Alright. Let's see what this is. Jeff McNeil Cornerstones quad relic autograph on card to 99 out of another blaster box. Are you kidding me? You cannot be serious right now. Holy crap. So nice. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is nutso for real. Holy crap. Alright. That's crazy. Javier Baez, Kevin Biggio rookie again. And then a Keston Yura rookie Astral. So nice. Wow. I'm getting a little verklempt over here. I'm going to check this time and see if any of these packs are fat. I didn't think to check that second time because I thought surely I'm not getting another hit. I didn't even contemplate that that was a possibility. Let's see. Looks like everything's regular in this one. No fat packs. Oh, that's okay. I'm good. Thank you so much. All right. There's a Pete Alonso base rookie and a playoff rookie. An Ohtani Phoenix. Another Mike Trout certified green. That's nice. And Brendan Rodgers certified rookie. Altuve score. Rizzo limited. Javier Baez Titan. Bryce Harper status green. And Baez regular status. Chris Paddock base rookie. Bryce Harper Ascension. Hey. Vlad Jr. Phoenix. Very nice. Duplantier Obsidian rookie. And a Brian Reynolds certified. Who is this? Corbin Martin rookie classics. Tatis Jr. rookies and stars. Christian Yelich Phoenix Hollow. Joey Votto certified green. And Yadier Molina status. So that was definitely the least exciting box of the bunch, but I mean they can't all have quad relic autographs in them. Michael Chavis, Aaron Judge again, and Lindor Astral Parallel. Wow, okay. I don't even know what to say about all that. That was crazy. That was so not what I expected out of this break. So much better. So, with that said, I'll probably grab some more of these and just take one more chance, because that was pretty dang nice. And then I have tons of good rookies and parallels too. I mean, yeah, I like a lot. Everybody take care of yourself. Hope you're doing well. I'll see you again soon.